starting our Gypsy Romance in Grand Rapids, Michigan. We got here a week ago, and so far we are loving it. Right now we're at Meyer Gardens and Sculpture Park. It is spectacular. So what do you love about Grand Rapids so far?
Beer.
Beer.
Lots of beer.
Yeah.
Breweries everywhere.
Yeah, they call it Beer City. So, in fact, we downloaded an app, and we're going to be visiting at least 8 of the local breweries.
And I have a beer passport.
We have a beer passport, so it's all legal. We're
Yes.
totally legal to drink beer in Garden City. And after we get our 8 stamps, we get, what else? A t-shirt, right?
Free t-shirt, $150 t-shirt.
Yeah, I'm sure that's about what it'll cost us by the time we're done. And I don't even want to think about the calories that it's costing us. So I'm just putting that out of the back of my mind right now. And the other thing I love is the weather. The weather here has just been wonderful. Now you may notice we're sweating a little today. They're actually having a heat wave this weekend. It's in the upper 80s, and so it's a little hot for these folks up here. Back in Texas, temperature is about the same, and they're having a cool wave. So normally, though, the lows have been in the 50s, lower 60s, so it's a little chilly in the morning, and then in the afternoons, it gets up in the 70s, lower 80s. It's just spectacular. So definitely an awesome place to be. We're in the middle of summer. Well, so here we are at the Thornapple Brewing Company. This is our first stop on our Crusader ale trail. We have an app. We're ready to go. We're going to start drinking now. So, what are you drinking now?
What am I what?
What are you drinking?
It's a tall blonde, I think.
A tall blonde, I see, as opposed to a short blonde.
Yeah.
Alright. This is the honey wheat with some orange in it. Here's to Beer City. Okay, so we're in Beer City, and the big thing here are the craft breweries. But to make it more fun, we loaded this Beer City Crusader app, and if we visit 8 breweries, then we will earn a free t-shirt. So absolutely we want our t-shirt. But anyway, it'll make it a little more fun as we go around Grand Rapids and drink beer, right? You gotta have a goal besides just imbibing, I guess. Hey everyone, so it's Nick and Deanna, still in Grand Rapids. This is our second week, so we wanted to send you a little update on what we've been doing. Mostly we are holed up in a hotel waiting for our RV to be ready. So what's the status on our RV?
Well, we think it was going to be here this week, last week, Friday, but now it sounds like maybe Tuesday. So we're hoping that it'll show up on Tuesday, and the dealer has to spend about 3 days going through it and doing their delivery inspection, and then they'll have to do one with us. So we're hoping we can get the thing by Friday, so we can get out of these hotels we're in.
Yeah, so we did last weekend. We signed a contract at an RV resort. We are going to be moving it to Hidden Ridge. It's just south of town. It's a really nice place. We were lucky to get a spot because everything was booked up for Labor Day, and Labor Day is right in the middle of the time frame that we needed. So we're set. We just need an RV
and a truck. Still waiting on the truck.
Oh, that's a whole nother story. Anyway, if we can just get the fifth wheel, at least that'll be, we'll be in our own space. We can cook our food and just unload the trailer and have our stuff. So yeah, that's we're really crossing our fingers that the next time we post one of these videos, we're doing it from our new fifth wheel. But in the meantime, we're still having a good time. This weekend we took the boys and we drove over to Muskegon, which is on the shores of Lake Michigan. That was really nice, beautiful. The boys got to run around in the sand, and Nick will have a little video montage of that. And today we're at the Grand River. This is the Riverside Park here in Grand Rapids. So it's kind of I guess the feature running through town, and it's really lovely. We're going to come back here with our bicycles once we can get our trailer unloaded. It's really a lovely place to come and spend an afternoon. So we're still loving Grand Rapids, the weather in Michigan, all is well. And next time, hopefully, we will be in the RV. So stay tuned. Hey, so I found the porta potty, so that's all good. The boys had their walk. They're in the truck for now. They need to chill out a little bit, have some water. So this is the Yankee Springs Recreation Area. It was about a 15-minute drive from Hidden Ridge RV Park. It's really nice. And today is Labor Day, so lots of folks are out, and yesterday was kind of crummy, but today it is like 81 degrees, sunny. It's just gorgeous, so everyone should get a nice last blast of summer. But you know what? I'm kind of curious about how cold this water is. If people, yeah. I'll walk over. Well, I got my foot all wet. It doesn't seem too bad right here where it's shallow. But yeah, these Michiganders are swimming. I don't think this Texas girl could get in this water though. It's a little chilly. So we came in on a day pass. It was $9 since we're out of state. They're very friendly. They gave us a brochure. There are several campgrounds. Looks like prices range from $20 to $28 per night, depending on the season. Don't know about the size. Let's see. So we are at Murphy's Point, right here. And we want to find a nice trail to walk. So the one I read about that should be fairly easy for us is Graves Hill Overlook. Well, I think we need to wander over to our hiking trail and see what that's about.
Okey-doke. Well, here we are wandering down a trail going somewhere. Supposed to be an overlook.
Yeah.
on a road that will only accept one vehicle, and apparently not sure which way we're supposed to be driving, so.
We're not exactly lost, but we don't really know where we're at either, so. Anyway, I'm looking for berries. We're hungry. We didn't bring snacks. That was a major
Looking
omission.
for edible plants.
So, do you go that way or do you go that way? Maybe it doesn't matter. I'm scared. What's that noise?
Trees rubbing together.
Okay, you're right. Scary tree. We did finally find Graves Hill. It's a pretty little spot, but I don't really see an overlook. But hey, here we are.
Maybe this is the grave.
It's very beautiful and shady. There's plenty of room. I'd be a little worried about some of these branches.